how to see how many hours you played on Roblox game. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you if we can see how many hours you played on a Roblox game or not. So let's find out. First thing, just head over to your Roblox application and make sure you are logged into your account if you haven't already. So let me just tell you one thing, that previously or few years back, when you click on this more button over here and come over to the settings just like this and click on this account info, and when you used to scroll all the way down from over here, you should be, or you probably will be getting all of the information regarding how many hours you've spent on this Roblox game application. But since the latest updates, there is no any option directly to view such statistics from over here. As you can see, you can even check out your profile section and click on this view profile option, and you'll still be not getting any one of the options which shows you how many hours you played on Roblox game. So I hope they will update it on the future for this feature. So for that, keep up to date on your Roblox application. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.